Hey guys, Nate Yesner here. I just want to send you a short video on banking connections within QuickBooks. As we near the end of tax season, we're looking forward now to meeting season where we'll be sitting down with many of you, taking a look at your books, running the year-to-date numbers and projecting what we think your revenue will be, what your expenses will be for the rest of the year. So to do this, we need access to the most current, accurate, and complete information. So one way you can help to ensure that we have access to that is to go in on, we suggest a weekly basis, just for 2 minutes, log into your QuickBooks and just make sure that your bank accounts are still actively linked and actively downloading. So I'll go over just two examples, one where that is happening and one where the accounts have become unlinked. So here's a sanitized screenshot of a client's QuickBooks. So your screen would of course look a bit more complete, but when you log in, you'll go to the left side here, you'll click on banking. That will take you to your banking screen where you'll see the bank accounts you have linked, any transactions that you have to record. In this case, this client just has one bank account linked to QuickBooks. So the first thing you'll do is you'll click in the upper right. You don't see it here, but there will typically be a button just that says update. You click on the update button, and that will initiate a download of any transactions in your bank account that have not yet been downloaded into QuickBooks. So in this case, I clicked on that update button a few moments ago, and in this case it was successful. So I see here it tells me it was updated moments ago. There's no errors that I see, no warnings popping up. What we're looking at here is this is the bank balance that is pulled directly from the bank. So that's what the bank believes the balance to be, which is of course the accurate balance. That just down below is what QuickBooks thinks the balance is. Now you'll notice it's different. In this case, that's because there are 6 transactions that still need to be recorded. So typically you would see those listed down here, and you would go in and categorize them accordingly. And now once that's finished, the bank accounts should both match. Okay? So this is a situation where everything's linked, everything's working as it should be. So here's another screenshot. So in this example, this client has multiple bank accounts, and you can see here after we've gone to the banking screen, we've clicked on update, we've got some errors here. So it's telling us that transactions are not downloading from these accounts. So it usually gives you a pretty hard to miss warning banner at the bottom, and then it even gives you warning signs on each of the specific accounts where the issue is happening. In this case, it's April 22nd today. So I can see from the date here that the issue started on the 19th. So no transactions have been downloaded since April 19th. So to fix this, you just click here on Complete Secure Connection. In this case, it looks like there's just some bank security questions that we need to answer. In other cases, you might have to re-input your username and your password to reestablish that connection. But it's usually just a 5-minute fix. If you ever get stuck on it, please do reach out to me, reach out to anyone on the Engage team. We'd be happy to help because we see it fairly often where these accounts will become disconnected for a period of time, and sometimes we're missing a month or 2 or 3 or sometimes 6 months of transactions, and that can be a process to go back and re-download the transactions. So definitely encourage you to go in at least weekly. You don't have to necessarily record your transactions every week, but just to go in and just refresh and make sure that the bank accounts are all downloading correctly. All right, well, thanks a lot, guys, and we will be in touch.